What's good, YouTube? It's your boy McKelby Ball, and today we will be opening Trophy Blitz packs. I think, yeah. And Trophy Blitz pack opening. Yeah, that. Fan favorite collectible. Okay. Trophy Blitz. Okay, first pack. Gold trophy? Yes. Second one. Silver trophy. Silver trophy. Third one. Bronze. Bronze is the weakest one. The best one is elite trophy. Another silver trophy. Silver trophy again. They trolling me. Ooh, 3. Gold. Damn! I thought it was fucking gonna go. Bronze. Last one before these two. Come on. Damn. Okay, we got a 2 Summer Courts Pro Packs. Okay. Come on. Ah. Damn. 2 fucking Magadoos. Oh my gosh. Again? Same way. That would be the end of the video, guys. They just trolled me. I'm out.